Back into Valley News Live, taking a look up in Devil's Lake. Still some breezier winds as you see that camera shaking up there, but otherwise here in Fargo, still having those breezier winds continue with gusts up to 43 miles an hour. And with those gusts, we have our wind chill temperature feeling like 14 with just our air temperature sitting at 7. Same as up in Grand Forks with the wind chill temperature feeling like 13, negative 13, I should say. And those gusts slightly calmer, gusting up to 36 miles an hour. But this is a look at our peak wind gusts we've seen just today alone here in Fargo. Right now, where we're having our peak wind gusts at 43 miles an hour, that's where we're having our peak just right now alone. Gusts up to 39 in Jamestown, 37 up in Grand Forks, and 41 miles an hour in Langdon. And we're still having some breezier winds still out of the south, causing some visibility issues for sure to our friends in the north, where they're also having some blowing snow falling as well. But take a look at our temperatures. Most of us are still above freezing. We have a few areas getting close, especially near that lakes country, with Alexandria at 1 degree and Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls at 3. But still with some wind chill temperatures on the chilly side. Most of us are sitting in those negative teens, a few of us in those negative 20s, like Fergus Falls sitting at negative 21 and Jamestown at negative 18. Still with some mixed precipitation finally starting to fall near that Wells and Stutsman County area. Before your first alert forecast, as we head throughout the next couple hours, we're really going to start to see some snow start and try to develop in areas of north central and northwestern part of Minnesota. But even throughout the rest of your morning hours tomorrow and throughout the rest of your afternoon as well, we're still going to have a few chances for some brief flurries throughout your day, but temperatures are going to warm up into those teens, a few of us even into those 20s, still having that chance for some mixed precipitation and some snow along that I-94 corridor in the middle of the afternoon. And that's going to continue to move to the north as we head throughout the rest of your afternoon and in your evening hours, with a chance for some heavier snowfall ahead of this on the leading side of this, and having some tricky travel with some sleet, causing some slick roads and some icy roads as well behind it. Still having that chance for some heavier snowfall ahead of it, but otherwise nothing that will expect too much of an impact other than some light roads and some tricky travel. Still though, there is an upside to this. Temperatures are going to be on the 30s just by Wednesday alone with some breezy conditions. And if those low 30s aren't enough for you, well, we do have a few chances, Bobby, next week of getting into those mid and even upper 30s and those 37s.
The 30s are here to stay.
A nice relief
longer
to see them
than just 11 days. Yeah, yes. Shelby, thank you so much. Well.